guy doing? Why cutting me? This car that driving on the close lane, sinidsid ako guys, sinidsid. Nindot-dot.
Good morning, Philippines!
Yung gawin na dito ba, hindi talaga maglinis ng maayos. Hindi nilinis ng maayos yung bahay dito. Just leave it there. Hun, it's really relaxing. Hun,
That's for you, for me.
for us, it's not for me, it's for us. I look at it.
Didn't comment on my note. Didn't comment on my note.
What is your note?
On the car, I wrote, should be doing Amanda too. It's all going nowhere. It's such a waste of friends time.
Can you give us a word? It's not for a boy.
And that noise gives you a freaking headache.
Oh, Jesus.
Worse than the one I start with.
Just don't think about the news. Just think that's a nice music. And we're having dinner. We're having dinner.
You don't do that during dinner?
Yun na yung sasakyan, malinis na siya. Yun na yung driver ko, guwapito pa rin. Yeah, it's right there. I hope the front one is really getting rid of that bug. There's a lot of bugs in the front side.
United Airline.
Huh?
United Airline.
United Airline? What? You're such a good humor, Annie. That's a good of humor, baby. Baby. Where we go here?
Go with that turn.
But it's only one lane, Tommy.
Oh,
Tommy!
it's too late now.
Han!
Too late.
No, you drive like really crazy, Tommy.
I drive it when I had to. This guy turning, but he's not making a
Oh my God, it's just ridiculous when you drive. Honestly. No, there's a cops. Oh, I wanna pull my hair like. One lane, guys. Ginawa niyang dalawa.
Two lane.
One lane, ginawa niyang dalawa. Squeeze it. It's gonna be accident and scratch this car and it's gonna be bitching. He cut the other guy.
Okay,
If that guy.
If you want to sit behind the truck, then let him sit behind the truck.
No,
I don't want to.
if that guy is you,
I
you will
don't
be
want
bitching like crazy, Tommy. I know you. What the f is that guy doing? Why cutting me? That's what you're going to say. Hala, that's a new restaurant.
That's not right, Jimmy. When I was young.
Latin cuisine?
When I was young, well, it's changed, but when I
Who's
was meeting
Tommy?
somebody in here, there's no place to park anyway. So
You meeting somebody? Is a woman?
no. A bunch of people, and I pull right on the sidewalk and block their doors.
Kailangan ko nang umalis, guys, kasi si Roxy at Misty, guys. Tinitignan ko sa camera si Roxy and Misty. Ano na sila, nag-iyak-iyak. So, kailangan ko na talagang bumalik sa bahay. Kailangan ko nang bumalik sa bahay para lang maano yung mga... Mahirap talaga pag may aso, no? Parang hindi mo maiwanan ba Kung gusto ko matulog dito ngayong gabi, hindi ko magawa. Kasi yung aso dun. So, yun yung pinakaano talaga. Hindi na ako mag-dinner dito guys dun na. Aalis na rin ako. Ay, nagutom ako. Alam niyo ba kung ano yung kinakain ko? Crackers!
Look into my eyes and show me your adventures I haven't seen. Taking all the life, it hits the spot. Walking on fantasy.
Hello guys! Ito talagang earrings ko guys, kaloka. But anyway, so ano na, mga few minutes, hindi ko alam, mga 40 minutes ata, aabot na ako sa bahay. Abot na tayo sa bahay, mga 40 minutes. Kaloka. Traffic guys, so every time na lang dito, traffic. Walang katapusan traffic. Lalo na this time, it's like when I left the house, it's 4 o'clock. And now it's 4:50. Mga, you know, mga 40 minutes. Mga 40 minutes ata, abot tayo na sa bahay. It's very frustrating when you're driving on the bridge. Like, yung bridge ba, tatlo man ang bridge, no? Tatlo ang daan, 3 lanes. And then what happened was the right side, it's closed. But people just keep going. My goodness, it's very frustrating. And then suddenly there's a cops. You know, after that, because there's a cops watching, okay, who's driving in that lane, it's closed. So this cops is like stopping these people. And then of course when there's a cops inside, you have to move over. You're not going to stay in that lane, you have to move over. So I was close to the police, and then this car that yung sasakyan, this car that driving on the closed lane, sinidsid ako guys, sinidsid. Nindot-dot sa ako ang nindot-dot yun guys. Like driving to against me, like, you know, like not against me, it's like driving, you know, closer and closer because she tried to avoid the cops in the side. So what she's trying to do, it's a woman guys, oh my god, it's like piss me off, like oh my goodness. Sus, nakakaloka na, nakakaloka talaga. Naglagot ko, napikon talaga ako guys, nagalit talaga ako dahil close yung lane, ang daming sasakyan. Kami dito nag-follow me sa rules at sila hindi. May cops doon sa kuan sa gilid kasi naghihintay kung sino yung mag-ano diyan. Yung isa dumot-dot sa akin para magpunta sa lane ko. Das kasi may cops. Malapit akong na-disgrasya dahil sa mga kalokohan nila. Kasi nagdot-dot kasi. Kaluka. And then when I'm going to turn in that lane, once I pass the, you know, the cops in that side, I have to go into the lane where that lady was. But because she have to avoid that there's a cops in the side, so she have to keep scooching me over. And then when I try to transfer the lane to where she is, she's slowing down. So I'm slowing down, and the people behind me they're pissed off because of what I'm doing, because I'm slowing down, because I'm waiting for her to keep going, that I can go into where she is, that I can go exit, because you know the exit is there. What I did was once that woman go, I just did the gas, the speed, like the car. Oh my god, that's the only thing I can do, make the car crazy. The noise, because of the freaking woman. Like that, it's like uminit yung ulo ko. Mga taong walang pakuan ba, you know, they're doing something, they're doing against the law, and then once they saw cops, they're scotching you to pretend that they're in my lane, and then they almost hit my freaking car. It's ridiculous, seriously. I know, you're so happy. You're happy. Oh, Louie, baby. Oh, Louie, go baby. Aloy, Miti. He's so cute. Hubby, oh, look so cute. Come up there. Aloy, Hubby, oh, ginuo ko may kamera. Uy, bebe. Get down. Go, ay, ginuo ko dili ako kasaka. Adoy, nako lagi ba? Kalagot, oy. Somebody. I love you both. Come here. No, Jesus. No, Jesus. Come here. Come here. Roxy, come here. Di ba nakis? Kami, di ba? You want to slow down, you kiss me. You cannot kiss me like that. Inudod mo yung now sa akong now. Don't nod your face onto my face. Hello guys! Good morning! Hindi na morning! Afternoon natin kauna. Ang dali-dali talaga ngayon ngit-ngit. Gabi. Hindi pa okay pa man, pero mga 7:30. Ang sinasabi ng tiyan ko, rice daw. Lobat na ako guys, so I will see you later. Guys, kung hindi pa ninyo alam guys, if you don't know, I have a mukbang /ACNR channel. So, yung mga kain-kain ko, doon ko na siya ina-upload. I will put the link down below guys sa channel na yon. And yes, so yan. Kung hindi pa kayo na-subscribe doon, kung gusto niyo yung mga kain-kain ko, kumakain ako, or na yung sound sa eating, sa pagkain, doon ko siya ina-upload. Thank you guys. Sana maka-subscribe kayo doon. And yeah, so thank you so much. I will see you guys pagkatapos kong kumain. Kasi, nagbe-blink-blink na talaga. Editin. But anyway, gusto niyo to guys. I like the color. Yeah. And, yun. So, I'm going to end this video with my Roxy girl. Si Misty andon. Hi, mates. Hi, baby. We're gonna... Oh, come here. Sorry, Roxy. Come here, Roxy. Like here. We're gonna do night-night. Right here. Come here, Roxy. Roxy, come. Sit down, sit. We're gonna go night-night. Okay, we're gonna lie down over there. We're gonna go lie down over there. Come here, Misty. We're gonna sit down. I'm going to talk to you. Sit. I'm gonna, hey, listen. We're gonna go night-night. Who wants to go night-night with Mama? I know. I'm talking to you guys. Who wants to go night-night? Night-night ni Mama na baby, no? We're gonna do a lot of things tomorrow. Mama's cleaning up the living room. No licking my face. Baby. Rox, Misty, look at me. What? Annoying me, Misty. Listen, so we're gonna do chow tomorrow. Sit down, Misty. We're gonna do chow tomorrow. Who wants to do chow tomorrow? We're gonna do chow tomorrow. Okay? I get that. Anyway, guys, I will see you guys tomorrow. I will see you guys in my next one. Good night. Bye. Thank you guys so much for dropping by. And also, guys, please don't forget to share this video. If you like my video, guys, please don't forget to share. You can share it, guys. I really do appreciate if you do like this video, you share this video, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. It's all free. Bye. Good night.